North Hall today, which is along Dunheved Road, and it's got a lovely apartment on the ground floor of quite a modern block. And there's a lovely living room which is open into the kitchen, which is open plan. It's got a nice countertop and units, and then you've got 2 double bedrooms, 1 ensuite, and you've also got a bathroom. So and somewhere to sit outside. There's a lovely patio area outside, which is all yours. It's not, you don't share it, and it's a very nice flat. And I think once you've seen the video, you'll want to come and have a look. Give the office a call.